Okay, guys, here's the thing. I love drones. I bet a lot of you didn't know that about me, but I just absolutely love playing with drones. I got my first drone in 2016, and it now is dead. So I'm gonna show you guys two drones that I recently got, and I think they're really cool in my opinion. So let's go. Okay, so the first drone that we're gonna be looking at today is the Simrex X300C. This is what the box looks like. And the drone comes inside, and it has 4 extra spare propellers, and it also has 4 propeller guards. There's no spare propeller guards, so be aware of that. And so the battery is not built into it. You have to pull the battery out, so I'll show you. You have to put the battery in the back like this, and then you pull it out by kind of holding down the back and top of it. And then this is what the remote looks like. The thing that I don't like about the remote is how small the joysticks are. Because if you just got done eating greasy food and you go to fly the drone, your fingers are gonna slip all over the place and it's not gonna be fun. So I'll demonstrate. What you do is you put the battery in. It takes about an hour to charge, so you hold down the power button until you see these red, you see it flashing right here. And then, so a lot of people didn't know this, but you can actually this remote does not take batteries. You have to plug it into the drone charger that comes with it. I suggest getting 2 drone chargers, and so you can plug it in. Both of the chargers are the same, so you don't need to get 2 different ones. And then the on and off switch is right here. And so you don't need to calibrate it or anything. The thing there's only one way to launch it though. So in normal drones you would normally push this up for it to go. But no, that's not how it works. There's this button right here, start. I'll get to these buttons later. So this is the start button. So you press it, and I've used one of those and they sound a little weird. So you guys may wonder how I landed the drone. There's 2 ways to land the drone. You either pull the thumbstick all the way down, but when you pull the thumbstick all the way down, you have to press the stop. And then, so what this button is right here is it's to change speeds. So what it does is so right now I have mine on the lowest one. The medium one goes medium, okay. The very fast one is so it's like sensitivity, but it changes the speeds of it as well. And so this one it can do flips. It has to be still for it to do flips. And this is the flip button. Then this is no gravity mode, where you can use a remote to control it. And so then this button does absolutely nothing. I've tried it, and it does nothing. So this is the Simrex drone, and I hope you like this drone. Now we're moving on to the next. Okay, so this is the new drone. This is the other drone. So this one, the box is not reusable like the Simrex, because it comes in just like this little package, which is not reusable. But the Simrex drone, you can put it back in 4th. So this one is probably my little favorite one because it has the best auto hover, and this one goes way faster than the other one can. So this one, you have to charge it before you play with it, but it's halfway charged actually, so it only takes half the charging time when you get it. And so I'll go back to charger. The charger may be a little difficult so what you want to do is you don't want to you see it how there's a little black piece right here, and on the bottom of it, that charging port right here, the black piece, you need to turn it over until there's no black piece on the top, and then you put it in with no black piece on the top, and then the black piece just slides in, and it's just a regular USB. And so the way to turn it on, if you can see it, if it's off right now, but if I turn it on, it's on and it flashes. But the remote is not a chargeable remote. It takes three AAA batteries. And so you don't need to calibrate this as well, but there's actually 2 ways to launch this. So if you guys can see manual, like launch and land, that's what I normally use. And so you can change between auto flight mode and manual. So what you just press this, and then see how it's connected? And so it automatically takes off. Ow. And so it automatically just like, it's not like the Simrex where you have to push the joystick upward to go up. This one just automatically takes off. And so this one has a really good auto hover, and it can do a stunt, which that is a flip. If you're going forwards or backwards, it can do a really cool flip or trick. It has 2 different flips. It has a side flip and it has a front flip. And so if you're going backwards, it's technically considered a back flip as well. So this is the best auto hover one, but the Simrex is the best. The Simrex lasts 12 minutes, and this lasts like 6 or 7 minutes, and it takes like an hour and 20 minutes to charge. But I think it's a pretty cool little Nano drone. So that concludes the drone. So hope you like, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Bye.